Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, July the 30th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block with 4 stars, and this one has a 1 star. And 1 binary, and those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve today, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles. But first, we will solve this baby. This one with 4 stars. This will be number 4935. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yes, 24. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. 24 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos. 4 threes. Alright, 4 threes. 4 threes. Let me see. The 4s. 3 4s. 2 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. So the 3s are a majority. Okay, let me see if I can start with a 3. No, I cannot start with the 4 3s here. 3 3. No. Let me look for another digit. 4 4. Okay. 4 4. 4 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the last row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 4 in this column, 4th column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. Cannot, well, we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row with 3 in the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column B3, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. 3 3. Still, I cannot continue with, well, not true. 3 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. Okay, so remember this. Okay, 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in one of those 3 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. All right. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about 8, 8. Yeah. 2, 2. 9, 9. I'm scanning. 7, 7. No 7 here. Yeah. 1, 1. Come on. It's taking too long. 6, 6. 3. 6, 5. And 2. 6, 5, and a 2. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers in the second row is the number 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in this box. Here, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or there, We see another 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. All right. Okay. So 7, 7, okay. 7, 7, 7. Let me see. Wow. Okay. 8, 8. 9, 9. 7, 7. 2, 2. 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in the last column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 9. Okay. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 5. No. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. All right. 9, 9. So here we have a 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here's 6 in this row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square Could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about 3 to 2? We have a pair. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there together with the 3. We have a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. As a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing. The 3. The 4. The 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2, 2. 5, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So the last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Then 8, 8, 8, 8. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes here, and 8 in the middle row. So no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 and a 9 in this row. 3 and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. That's a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. Then let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this third row. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay. 286. 286. Okay. 3. 8. I'm thinking 6, 8, and the 1 is missing here. 6, 8, and 9 is missing. 9. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the third row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Well. Okay. 6 and 8. Okay. 6, 2, 6 and a 5. 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 Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the first row. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. 2 and the 6. Yeah, 1 box left in this column. We have an 8 now. So this box can be 8 anymore. This box should be a 6. 2 numbers left for the numbers 8 and the 1. I believe, yeah, 8 and 1. Cannot feel this yet. Oh, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes and there. 1, 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be 6. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 3 in this column. 9 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Okay. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other two puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.